Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Learn Plan Profit. Hope that you guys are all having a good start to the morning. I'm going to pop this little live chat out. It is 6:30 a.m. here in Arizona, and it is a Friday, March 20th, 2020, and I don't normally perform the best on Fridays, so we're going to try to change that today, though. So if we see a decent opportunity, y'all better be ready because we're here to take it. There's a lot of consolidation on natural gas overall right now. It's almost making these like lower highs with the same support level right around 1.73. So you guys can see that it's almost had the same support level for the past, maybe 8 hours. So we could identify that to be a support level as of right now. Market just opened, so direction can 100% change as of now. My voice is echoing. Okay, well, I don't know what to do to that about that. So, morning, change the hoodie. Yeah, I honestly was gonna wear my red one, but I know a lot of people probably would have been like, "Ew, change your hoodie." So I changed it. Alright, I'm gonna remove that one. Here it goes. Gold dropping. Overall market, it was up, and now it's looking like, again, it doesn't matter if it was up or down. It's its current direction. SMA line pointing down. It's breaking below the middle view op. It's making lower lows and lower highs. Overall, it's a descending pattern. One of the things that I see here is very very low volume on DGAS. So watch out for that. The spread is not the best. So just a heads up on that. So we have a nice little push on natural gas right here. I'm just going to get some skinny. And just so you guys can see, I have no open positions or anything like that. This is going to be my first trade of the day. Here we go. All right. So let's see. Yeah, I'll send it with that. We'll see if we get filled. I'm gonna do 10 shares. So, and I don't think I'm gonna get filled. Nope. It's already pushed me down. Big drop on natural gas right now. So DGAS trading now at, wow, that was very very quick, 296. Sheesh. So is it true that UWT and DWT are not trading after April 2nd? I just saw that on Discord. That's something that I'll have to look a little bit more into, so I can give you guys a more definite definition or answer. I have not looked into it at all. I haven't been trading UWT or DWT recently, so yeah. As of right now, I would encourage you to look a little bit more into not just about what people are saying, but actual articles. I'm sure the actual ETF under the news section would disclose something of that. So maybe something that we can all look into. Good morning. Ooh, natural gas still dropping. I really missed out on this one. Alright, natural gas, just so you guys could kind of see what's going on. It's doing this consolidation right here. So I was trying to catch it at the top of previous highs and stuff like that. Overall, it's been a descending. It's not a descending pattern. It's been making lower highs. So something that we can all kind of look into. Here we go. There it goes. Nice push. Sweet. So how do you make it where you click on the ticker and it pops up on the chart? So I have that video in the course. All you have to do is natural gas right now is pushing up. All you have to do is link your watch list. So you go right here, you link it on, you just link it red. It doesn't matter. And then link your charts. So by clicking on this, it'll pop up right away. So that should be able to do it for you. Good morning, good morning. Natural gas isn't holding very well. Wow, it's already dropping. Come on, you can do better than that. All right, it should hold here. Nope. Dropping already. Yeah, I'm not getting filled. Have you seen how much JNEG has dropped? No, I have not followed up with it. I wasn't looking at it during the pre-market session. Okay, so no, that's a solid drop. 10%. The volatility on JNEG and JDST are crazy. I mean, we've talked about that before. So just be careful with it. If you can't keep up with that volatility, don't trade it or just watch your position size. So, wow. Diaz with a push. Diaz, natural gas at middle VWAP. So testing the support level. Testing. Looks like it's going to break below. Yep. There it goes. Diaz pushing up, about to break above 300. Whoa. Wow. Dude, natural gas is dropping. I missed out on it. We saw the opportunity though, right? We saw it. I just wasn't getting filled. Man, I feel like I missed out. There it goes. Come on. It's already up $10 from market open. So if you guys see where it was trading at and where it's at now. Look at that craziness. Wow. I missed out. The FOMO is real right now. That is correct. Yep. That is so solid. Hey, we did our part in, identifying the potential, identifying the opportunity. It just, yeah. Oh man, there it goes. Testing 1.710. Look at that drop. Again, this shouldn't encourage you to like ever enter a position when you think something's gonna happen super aggressively, because it doesn't always play out like this. Like this is a perfect, like an ideal setup where you see an opportunity and it just aggressively goes in your favor. In my honest opinion, these don't happen, at least to me, very often. I normally don't miss out on something like this very, very often. The reason I missed out on it was I was trying to get filled where it made sense to me. I was trying to stay patient, and at the end of the day, those series of best practices will pay off big picture. Yeah, it sucks. Trust me. There's no easy way for me to put it. It sucks missing out when you saw a play, present itself. But at the end of the day, we have to think about big picture, right? And it made sense on why I was trying to be selective with my entry point. And then it really went according to plan. It went better than I expected. I thought we were going to make lower lows and lower highs. This was just one of the ones that we called the bloops, right? They just drop in 2-3 minutes. And so can't you buy the bounce on you gas? I wouldn't want to. Right now, natural gas is bearish. You can, if you think that you have it, you can test it out. I don't want to trade against the overall direction of natural gas. But yeah, there's no easy way to put it. It still sucks. But one of the things, trust me, like if you're missing out, if you ever miss out on any of your trades, just know big picture and ask yourself, don't let one experience determine the way that you trade for the rest of your life, right? Just because you miss out on something doesn't mean that every single trade after that you should go in super aggressively because you're gonna miss out on it again. It's a situation per trade, right? So I just want to make sure that we keep the same mindset, especially when a lot of emotions might be on the line. So it's just now, Diaz is now at 310. We're probably gonna make lower lows here. So let's see. And it has a lot to give back. I think, natural gas was trading. Was this? Yeah, this was yesterday, and then it hit lows of 1.67. So it was cool to see. I just, there's no way for me to put it. It sucks, but we have to deal with it. So what's going on, Drew Fit? What's up? What's up? Market selling off. Let's check that out. That is correct. It's following a very similar pattern to almost everything right now. If you see, crude oil should look pretty similar. Natural gas should look pretty similar. Not exact, but similar. So, So I'm going to go in with not 50 shares, but I'm going to go in with 10 shares. So just to have some skin in the game. And I'm just going to go in with a market price. Whoa, this thing really pushed up. That is not cool. And of course, when we buy with the market price, then this happens. I actually didn't see that drop. That drop happened so quick. Look at that. It literally. Wow. Let's see. Now natural gas. That's what everyone needed. I just needed to buy degas so then natural gas begins to uptrend. So you guys are welcome. Um, let's see what's going on. So I got 20 shares in degas, and average purchase price definitely not the best. I thought my first share, my first 10 shares, were getting filled at 312. There was a big push. Definitely didn't get filled at that price point. So right now I'm at 317.56. So we'll have to see how this one plays out, and let's see if we actually bounce off the EMA line. Let's see. So I do agree. Natural gas is oversold, but natural gas on the day and based off of current direction is bearish. I have a really big focus on trying to buy and put my money in whatever is actively uptrending, right? So with that being said, I would see more value in degas as it's still overall an uptrend rather than trying to buy the dip on UGAS. Of course, if UGAS begins to make higher highs and breaks above the EMA line, then yeah, I would consider UGAS. But as of right now, one of the things that we can see is that, and that's a great question. I'm not doubting you at all. I do agree. It would make sense, even if you were to go for a small position, to go into UGAS and then hoping that it continues to break above the EMA line and hoping that it continues to recover. But overall, the direction is not in your favor. This thing can continue to sell off and it can remain bearish. So because of that, I would rather focus on degas until proven otherwise. Does that make sense? Again, it doesn't mean that I'm right and that if you go into UGAS that you are wrong. 100%. It could bounce, it could continue to uptrend, and it could be in your favor. And you could be correct and I will be wrong and I will have to cut losses. I'm not a perfect trader by any means, like not even close. I make a ton of mistakes, but I think that's not the best thing about trading at all, right? But it's something that we have to work with when it comes down to trading. It's just, something that we just have to manage. So here it goes. Bought another 10 shares. I'm going crazy here. Buying everything. 10 shares is, again, I can trade with like 200 shares, right? So I'm just having fun with it. The direction's in my favor. Of course, if it goes south, I'll have to manage my risk. But just going with the flow, just for all of you that might be watching. Oh, there it goes. We just saw a big drop on natural gas. We should see. I'm going to do a 20 share position size here. Alrighty. Let's see what we got going on. already. What's your average right now? My average is 317.12. And there it goes. Natural gas making new lows. D-gas making new highs. So I will, with a limit order, I've learned my lesson. Try to the best of my ability. Whoa, big push, big push. Let's see if I can partake in this. Nope. Didn't get filled. New highs. I tried. Alright, so I'm just going to have my limit order up here as it's dropping fairly quick. So let's see. Back at 318. Let's see. I'm going to drop this a little lower. This is how natural gas is looking for those that want to see what I'm looking at my second screen. On my second screen, that's pretty much it. Natural gas still pushing. Still pushing. Still pulled back a little bit. All right. Not getting filled. All right. Oh. Same. Natural gas looking like it's trying to reverse, so it can definitely do it here, and it's at 1.70. It just had a really nice pop, so we should see D-gas with a drop. Testing EMA line. Testing. It pulled back a little bit. Nope, still holding. Looks like it might have gotten rejected. We'll see. No. I'm gonna set my alerts. There it goes. Big drop. It already pushed. All right, I sold my first 50 shares. I still have 50 shares remaining. So that's where I'm at right now. We'll see where it goes from here. There it goes. Natural gas still dropping. Here it goes, another drop. Still more sellers. Another drop. A lot of consolidation at this area. Another drop. Testing 1 dots time. So there it goes. It's trying to pick right back up. We're going to be back at 320 for Diaz. As long as the market, all right, what did it say? Dang. Okay. Here it goes, natural gas with the push. A lot of consolidation, so we could easily see the reversal here. So again, testing the EMA line. Last time it did go to highs of like 1.704, just so you guys can keep or have a heads up on that. Here it goes, at the EMA line, above the EMA line. We might see a little runner here. My position size right now on DYAZ is 50 shares instead of 100 shares. So I'm feeling much more comfortable as my position size is now a fraction of what it normally is. Here it goes, testing. Looking green for natural gas, which is not for DYAZ. Oh, I have the same screen here. Let me pull up DYAZ as... all right. Here we go. Testing support again for natural gas. Let's see if it continues. Whoa. Sold 70% of my shares. There it goes. Testing. Ooh, big drop on natural gas. Big drop. About to make new lows. And I don't know if it did it. I'm up 700 on the day. And it's still consolidating. This is crazy. I have not seen, I have seen natural gas consolidate like this. Yesterday, it was unreal how much it would consolidate. And there it goes. It's picking right back up. There it goes. Big drop. Big drop. All right. All right, sold at 326.03 and it's still pushing. Right now we're testing 1.680, and if natural gas breaks below that, then degas will most likely continue to push. So $782, you guys saw it all happen. Yeah, and it's been, I think, 30 minutes of trading so far. So 2-day trades. Bought, and then sold. So it was fun. What'd you guys think? Nice play. Direction, that's all I'm focusing on, right? I'm playing off the EMA line and then understanding the correlation between natural gas, UGAS, and DGAS. I normally don't perform very well on Fridays, and I'm very happy with how it's, played out. So, it's been cool. Really have been enjoying it. And no more trading for me today. I like it. Nice. There's no reason to. So are you going to trade again? And this is just me. I normally don't perform very well on Fridays. Holy Albert Einstein hair. This is ridiculous. Sorry about that. With the messy hair, but I normally don't perform the best on Fridays. I will say this. I'll call it a day unless I see natural gas aggressively push up or aggressively sell off. If I see an actual opportunity that is like with huge margins, like a gapper, right, that has a gap to fill, I'll trade that. I will, I'll watch my position size and all of that. At the end of the day, do I need to aggressively trade right now? No, I already hit my daily goal. I exceeded my daily goal. I've exceeded my weekly goal. I literally hit my monthly goal in a week. And not every week is like this. I don't always, trade this aggressive or anything like that. But again, with great opportunity comes great responsibility. And the most important part is, and this is what I've enjoyed most, is I can honestly say every single day this week, I woke up excited to trade in the stock market. And that's what I would encourage you guys to do. It's if you're waking up and you're dreading to trade because you're losing money and stuff like that, you're probably trading with too much. You're probably trading too aggressive and with too much money. At the end of the day, this is something that we want to enjoy to do, right? So please take a step back, analyze what it is that you're doing, and keep it simple, right? If you haven't found your niche, just know that it's just a matter of time. Keep practicing, keep trying different best practices. And again, you're not trading to make a profit when you're learning. You should be trading to learn. So I really hope that you guys all end Friday on a green note. But like we've said multiple times before, hope is not something that will get you very far in life, right? Let's work towards whatever goal it is that we have, and let's make sense of it. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Looks like natural gas is getting rejected off of that EMA line once again, and probably going to test that same support level. And there it goes. It's dropping, and we'll see where it goes from there. But I really do appreciate you guys' time. Feel free to send me a message on Discord if you guys have any questions. Stay patient. Just understand that if you're limited to the amount of day trades that you have to take, just know that you don't have to trade every opportunity. Just make sure that they're good setups and that they're ones worth trading. Enjoy what it is that you do every day. Let's keep it that simple. Like always, hope and wish you and your families an amazing and blessed Friday and weekend. Stay safe, wash your hands, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy.